first things first, I'm just gonna pull off these haulms. I would cut these normally, but I've left my secateurs at home. Okay, so a nice empty bucket here, and we've got a bucket here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just tip it out and have a look what we got. Wow, look at this, guys. I weren't expecting potatoes like that. Bloody hell, that has really shocked me. So I haven't got my scales with me to weigh these, but I tell you what we're going to do is I will weigh them when we get home, and I will let you know what the amount was. Look at this, guys. Look at these spuds. Well, considering I wasn't expecting any potatoes at all, we've done really well. I forget the name of these. They're a cross between a rooster potato and a rooster potato and a sort of a normal spud. But they're a red skin but white potato inside. They're oh my god, these are so good spuds. I can't believe I've had this crop, considering. Look at this. Alright, we've got a bad one here. But saying that, mind, it's only a little bit by there. The rest of the spud, bit of scab on it, but the rest of the spud seems fine, so we can peel that and eat it anyway now. We just won't be able to keep it. Wow, look at this. I have never seen such good spuds. We got to be pushing close on about £10 here, guys, if not more. Let's pull these roots out. I am well chuffed with this, especially considering the fact that we had such that we lost most of the crop. Oh, I'm saying we lost most of the crop. We lost most of the top growths due to a lack of water on them for 3 whole weeks when we had a really bad dry spell in June. So to have you know, something like that, this rain has obviously made a difference, and they've managed to hold on and pull back. But obviously, you remember the amount of feed we put in these in the beginning, and if not, find the potato video. I'll put a link below in the description, and find the potato video. Well, guys, I think that's it. I can't find any more in there, but let's lay them out. Oh, look at that for a cracking load of potatoes. There's not a huge amount of them, but what is there are huge. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There's 18 spuds, but they are huge. Look at them. Brilliant for chips, boiling, baking, all sorts. That's the great thing about the rooster potato. It's really good for all sorts of things. Anyway, I think I'm going to do another bucket just for myself, but I won't bother put that on. So we got these 18 potatoes. I'm going to keep these separate, and I'm going to weigh them at home, and we're going to see what we've got in weight out of this one bucket, because I'm chuffed to bits for that, guys. So I'm at home now, guys, and Tina's got the camera just to make life a bit easier. I got a carrier bag and our scales. I'm just going to just zero them off. Okay, so here's the spuds that we collected. Just going to give this bag an empty out, and we're going to put these in here, and we're going to give them a quick weigh. Now I'm estimating around £8 to £10 here at the moment. Here's them 2 small ones, look. can't believe the size of these. It's absolutely awesome. I'm well chuffed with them. That scabby one. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the bag on here. Tina's going to do a zoom in for you guys. And hopefully you will see. Wow, look at that. Showing £15, guys. That is superb. I'm well happy that £15 out of one bucket of spuds.